This patient from Vietnam traveled to GLOJAS to do a lowering hairline to camouflage the facelift scar. The length of the scar from the left sideburn to the right sideburn is 30 cm. After the facelift procedure, her forehead is higher than usual and she wanted to fix it according to the golden ratio of the face. One year ago, she have done the facelift. After doing the facelift, there is a scar. Length is 30 cm from here to here. From here to the right side is 15 cm. From here to the left side is 15 cm. This is the measurement. 15 cm here to the sideburn, and from here to here also 15 cm. The width of the scar is about 1 cm. After doing the facelift, this whole thing lifted and the forehead has become higher. And the reason why she came to GLOJAS today is to fill up or to camouflage the scar as a result of the facelift and lowering hairline down so that she can get the golden ratio back from here to here, here to here, here to here. From the surgical scar point to the anterior point where the window peak is 2.5 cm now. All this area, increase density here, increase density here, increase density here, and fill up the whole scar area.